You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say actual names from ancient Egypt that too many people mispronounced. Can you pronounce that one? Well, you will. Stay tuned. Pharaoh. Sometimes in British English there's a bit of an sound after the Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Now in American English it's said strictly more as Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Okay? Pharaoh. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.